Assalamualaikum. My name is Samrita Asif. So today I am making cake with cookies, milk and baking soda. So first of all we have to add cookies in the grinder. Done grinding the cookies. So now we have to add some baking soda. Okay, we're done adding baking soda. Now we have to add milk and whisk it. We have to only add a little bit of milk. We have to whisk it till it's not as much liquidy. It has to be thick liquid. Now I'm done mixing it, so we have to pour it now in this. Before putting the cake batter, first we have to add little drops of oil in the tray and have to spread it. I add it in the tray. It's ready, so I'm gonna put it in the microwave for at least 4 minutes. Now the cake is ready. Let me take it out from the microwave. Now my cake is perfectly fine. Now I will add chocolate on it. If you don't like to add chocolate, so don't add the chocolate on it. Now it's time to taste it. It's so good as I expected. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.